So you landed here. You must be looking for a piece of new medical equipment for your eye surgery. Hi, my name is John Weymouth, and I'm the president of MEDiSURG, and we can take care of you. If you're looking to buy a piece of equipment, one of your first questions is it going to work when you get it? Am I going to be able to be taken care of for service? Is there someone that can come in that can actually train us? That is what we do. And if you look at buying a piece of equipment, it's like, well, why should I buy from MEDiSURG when I can buy it from eBay or .med? Think about the analogy of buying a car. You go online, you look at a car, and you go, okay, I'm going to buy that. You're not going to test drive it. You're not going to make sure it works. You're just going to assume that what they're telling you is true and that the system is in good condition and it's been preventive maintenance has been done, the batteries have been replaced. You don't know that. What we do is that we guarantee we show you the documentation. We actually go through a complete preventive maintenance that is basically specified by the manufacturer. We follow that exactly. We replace batteries. We replace everything in it that can wear out so that when you get the machine, you know it's ready to go. So additionally, if something does go wrong with the equipment, you'll be able to contact us and we will take care of you because we offer warranties and we offer basically anything that you need to give you peace of mind when you make your purchase. So if you want additional information or you're looking to make a purchase from us, you can subscribe below and get additional information. Contact us directly on our cell phones or our office lines and we'd be happy to assist you. Thank you. My name is John Weymouth.